How to enable always on display on your Samsung Galaxy. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to enable your always on display mode on your Galaxy phone. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to enable always on display, what you need to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings. And once you open up your settings, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here you will see lock screen and AOD, which means always on display. Go ahead and tap on this settings and tap on always on display. Make sure that this toggle is turned on. So if this is turned off like this, make sure to turn it on. And when to show, if you want to show it always, go ahead and tap on always. And then from here, if you want to show the music information on the screen, you can turn this on as well. And once you have done this, if you lock your phone screen like this, it will automatically start glowing like this. So this is the always on display, and if I tap it once, it will show my fingerprint scanner, or if I tap it twice, my lock screen will show up like this. Now if I again turn it off, it will automatically show the always on display. So that's how you turn on the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.